This video is to document Em and I driving through the most epic thunderstorm we've ever witnessed, and also to document our lives in case we don't make it. A little bit scary, cars are pulling over, water's coming in the side. Driving 30 miles per hour. Hazards on. Emily's doing great. She always gets to drive in the worst thunderstorms. You probably can't even hear me right now, it's so loud. But anyway, just want the world to know that we love you, we love each other, we love Smooch. Take care of Smooch. And
big storms like this can't last forever, right?
right, big storm like this can't last forever. Remember that, folks. Bye.